Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is extremely interesting to see in the news that Threads app, that is the competition of Twitter, has reached over the weekend, according to a post by Mark Zuckerberg, 100 million accounts. This is truly amazing when you think about the fact that to reach that level, it took months, many months for some to actually reach that level, and sometimes even more than years. So it is, I think we could say, a success for Meta to have kind of taken over Twitter. Now it's interesting because that also makes Elon Musk very, very frustrated and mad. It's interesting, the childlike posts, that are on the accounts of these people. So this truly is, if there's one thing that could take away Twitter and make it obsolete and bring it down, I think we're really in the phase where this is possible. A lot of people are not on it, of course, but a lot of people are on. And I have to say that one of the things that is interesting about the Threads app is how, for a lot of people, it was something that felt fresh and new and exciting to actually check out. It was definitely something interesting on that side. Even I felt the interesting side of checking out something completely new and see what happens. I fell for it like a lot of people. Of course, a lot of people are not on Twitter, don't care for it. A lot of people will not be on this Threads app for Meta, which is totally fine. But one of the biggest warnings I think that happened is in the past few days is a lot of people noticed how the amount of data that the Threads app is actually gathering from everyone is amazing, just like Facebook, basically. And that makes you, think about maybe more regulations. I got no problem that there is some scraping of data, but I mean, when you look at all that you have to accept to use the Threads app, it's crazy. What's helping also probably is the fact that the Threads app, if you're already on Instagram, well, you have, just a few clicks to just be on the Threads app. That definitely helps. And Instagram has 1.6 billion users or accounts. So this is pretty crazy. Definitely helps in some way. So we'll see what's going to happen with that, and we're going to see what is next. But if something is capable of breaking Twitter, I think this is the Threads. So I'm at 21 followers now. So slowly counting. On my Twitter account, I'm at 1,700 or something like that. So how long will it take for me to reach that? I have no idea. But it's kind of interesting to see. I'm posting different things if you're interested. Mostly tech, but also some things related to radio, including this radio show that I have and so on. Once again, if you guys, in my live shows on the radio shortwave channel. But for the most part, it will be mostly tech stuff here. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens with that. If you want to join, once again, just, follow me on Threads. No problem. And maybe the question today would be, what do you think that the Threads app can take over Twitter, or is Twitter going to survive and the Threads app never really will be able to reach it? Going to be interesting to see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.